It is right?
And there you go. It's going.
Okay. Go. So, Vicky, how's it feel riding your horse?
Amazing.
She looks beautiful, man. A horse that could not be ridden.
Yeah, really, eh?
Well, look at people, bareback, riding.
Second time riding her. No bucking, no rearing, no nothing.
Yeah, she's an awesome girl.
Free-handed. She knows where to go.
Exactly. She listens to you, absolutely. Amazing, man. Freezy, you're a good girl.
Amazing. Good girl.
Yeah, you know what? We should send a copy of this to the guy who gave us the horse, too, eh?
Yeah, really, eh? We need an advanced rider on her.
Yeah.
The advanced rider.
I'm going to stand right in the middle, that way I don't miss any of it.
Okay.
Skitters!
If I really wanted to, I could get her trotting if she's ready to go.
Yeah. No, let's take her one day at a time.
I'm not rushing her. I'm not doing nothing. She's at her own pace. She's happy.
Yeah, there you go. That's my girl riding her horse. The horse that couldn't be ridden ever again.
14 years old. Doesn't even look it.
Certainly not. Honey, come see. Bring me my sweater. I'm getting eaten alive.
What?
The skeeters are eating me.
She's getting eaten by mosquitoes. Come on.
Ow.
People are going to hear that in the video and be like, what the hell is going on?
It's just me getting eaten alive.
We come at dawn because there's less bugs. We forgot there's still mosquitoes. It's still summer.
Fucking right, man. And they like to suck blood. Especially mine.
Giant mosquito.
No, honey, they're hurt.
Yeah, because of the giant ones.
Well, they don't look too giant.
Here, honey.
But they're just babies. But they're sucking the life out of me, man.
Because they're big.
Okay, that's cool. I'm done. I'm done.